What's up, guys? All right, so we're gonna change out the wheels. Rock, you wanna come out? Come on. We're gonna change out the wheels on the Mustang. We're gonna put on the SVE R350 wheels we have with the Mickey Thompsons. I did a review of these wheels about a month or so back. It's on the channel if you guys want to see what they are. They're 19s with drag radials. But we're gonna switch these out. We're gonna switch out the stock ones. I actually have a guy coming to buy them shortly, a couple hours. So I'm gonna take them all, put these wheels on, clean the stock ones up, and then sell him them, and then take that money and go purchase some 20s, because these ones are 19s and they're more of like a, you know, I got a drag radial on the rear, and I really want like a nice wheel just to say I want to take the car and cruise it down the shore house. You know, it's 100 miles each way, so I'll tear them drag radials up. So we'll take that money and go buy some other wheels. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, I got the wheels on, all cleaned up. I also put on these lug nuts that I had from my Audi S4. And they're the same thread, so they worked. I don't know how I feel about them yet. We'll see. But got the drag radials back on. These things are wide. You see that? How wide these are. Wide, baby. 305s. I really love this color. This magnetic gray is really a sharp color. Sometimes you look at it and it just looks like a teal, and it's just like, even look at the way the grass is like reflecting off of it. You see that? It's just really sharp. Car definitely needs to be lowered. I think once it's lowered, it's going to look 100% better. It is still sitting on factory suspension. This is not a performance pack car. It was special ordered though, with the 355 rear, the 401A package, and the black accent package, and the 10-speed auto. So there she is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more videos. Like and subscribe. Got a complete build of this car. Once I feel comfortable modding the motor, that this motor's okay. Thanks, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? So the gentleman just came and he picked up the wheels. I just sold my 2018 Mustang GT black accent wheels for $1,000 cash. Gentleman's gonna put them on his 2012, which will fit. I think they go back all the way to like 07, the same bolt pattern. Don't quote me, but it's definitely a few years back. So this is where I'm at right now. I have a set of 19s, as you guys just seen in the video. So hey Jackson, leave that money there. Kid's getting the money. So I have a set of 19s that you guys just seen in the video. I want a set of 20s. I'm not too sure what color, what wheel, what style. I have seen magnetic grays with like a lighter color rim, and I think they look really sharp. Like a light gunmetal, or like not chrome, but like maybe like a polished aluminum. So if you guys have any magnetic grays with light wheels on them, I'm definitely interested in seeing them. If you can drop your information, your like Instagram or Facebook or whatever in the comments so I can look it up, that'd be great. I need your help, guys. I'm really looking for some suggestions here. I'm gonna start searching the web myself and see what I can find. Um, Preferably like to buy something used. I know there's a lot of used wheels out there. I was just on Facebook Marketplace and I've seen a ton of wheels. So yeah, um, let's see what we can find. Let me know. Thank you.